Hello guys and welcome to today's basically a weekly trade recap or a weekly recap or I don't know, but um, yeah, I'm gonna be talking about all the trades that I took this week and um, yeah, basically show you guys how I entered them, what setup I took, and the trades that I took and how did I react off of the price action that we had this week. Also, there's a couple of news and also have very important news for crypto as well. So before we go into the video, please guys don't forget to smash up the like button and to hit the subscribe button to let us continue our journey in YouTube and to motivate me to do even more videos. So with that being said, let's get started into today's video. So in order for us to start this weekly recap, I have to open up my trading template, my trading journal. So that's this week since February 1. Okay, February 2. I think I posted this trade. This was a win, and I think I did post this trade. Wait, this trade. Yeah, I posted this trade. Okay. Or no, I posted this trade, not that trade. So let's start with this trade. So as you guys can see, we swept out. This is Asian session, this is London session, and this is New York session. So we had these London session lows, we have these London session highs, we have these Asian session highs, and we have these 4-hour highs. We also have these Asian session lows, we have this 1-hour order block, and with that we have these 4-hour lows as well. With that, New York session opened, we came down, we swooped out the London session lows, we filled up the order block, and we took out the 4-hour lows. With that, we continued going up. We inversed a 15-minute fair value gap, and we made a break of structure off of a 5-minute fair value gap, and we also broke an order block right here and reacted off of it as a breaker block. So we traced back into it, and then we made another break of structure, and we created a fair value gap within that move. So on the 5-minute we have a fair value gap, we have a breaker block right here, and so when I went to the 1-minute time frame, let's see if I yeah, this is on the 5-minute. Yeah, same thing, right? Same trade, right? Wait, yeah, same trade. Let me see another time frame. Damn. Okay, this is the 15-minute time frame. So as you guys can see, we have a closer above this structure on the 15-minute time frame, and then once price hit this London session highs, I didn't want to enter this level yet. I wanted to see a reaction and the retracement, so we retraced back into this 15-minute fair value gap and this 15-minute breaker block, as well as the 5-minute ones. With that, we have created a 5-minute fair value gap that I wanted it to get invalidated. So wait. So right here, as you guys can see, we have this 5-minute fair value gap. I wanted to get invalidated, so we inverse this fair value gap, matched with the respecting this 5-minute bullish fair value gap, and they see the candle closer above this. So I entered this trade. My TP is set up to Asian session highs, and my stop loss below these this liquidity sweep. With that, hours later, we hit full TP for the whole trade. Okay, that's a W trade on February 2. I don't remember what day was it. So next thing on next day actually, I lost a trade. Okay, let me see. Okay, this trade I am 100% dumb for taking it. Even though before I entered this trade, I looked at my phone, I looked at myself, I said, do I really want to enter this trade? Because literally this trade is going to be a losing trade. And I still don't know what the fuck happened to me. And I said, I'm entering this trade. So I learned from this mistake exactly because I knew that on the 4-hour, on the daily, on the 1-hour, and on the 15-minute time frame, we are bullish. We are in a bullish time frame. Look at all of the fucking, look at the uptrend. It's very clear that we are in an uptrend. Also, we have this Wait, let me show you. We have this 1 hour bullish fair value gap. So what? Maybe because I saw this 15-minute in like sweep of liquidity taking out these long session high, but that is not enough. Liquidity sweep against a trend is not enough for taking a trade. That is not enough. Maybe I said like it's 1-to-1 risk to reward. It's not gonna be that risky, and I entered the trade maybe, but that doesn't remove the idea that this trade is a losing trade from the beginning. Sure, I had a strange feeling because we had the dumping candle, it was going to hit TP, but no, it's not going to be hit TP. If it hits TP, it's going to be luck. I don't see this trade as a real trade that I'm gonna take. Wait. So, sorry. The lesson learned from this trade is that I didn't respect my rules and I traded with more being FOMO, fear of missing out, on this opportunity, but it ended up being a losing trade. After that, we hit another win on February 4th, the next day actually. This week I found more setups than I have ever found. So this trade has been a winning trade. It was a very clear trade. We had these London session lows, we had these London session highs. I don't know, I didn't took the screenshot for Asian session lows and Asian session highs, but we have created this 15-minute, I think the 15-minute fair value gap, and we have these 4-hour lows as well. We have these 4-hour highs marked as London session highs. With that, New York session opened, we came down, we took out these lows, we also made the S&T divergence with that time, and we filled up this 15-minute fair value gap, and we took out this, or we swept out this London session lows. With that, we were in the discounted zone of equilibrium, and I was looking to take the trade after we inversed a 15-minute fair value gap, which was literally right here. We inversed the fair value gap, we broke the structure right here. Wait, let me zoom in. Let's see if I took another screenshot with another time frame. Yeah, this was on a 5-minute time frame. Okay, so after we broke the structure literally right here, and I saw the market movement and the market being bullish on the 4-hour, on the 1-hour, on the 15-minute, and also on the 5-minute time frame, we just filled up this fair value gap. We broke the structure to the upside. We made the retracement. We were in a discounted zone. We closed above the zone, and I entered the trade immediately on the 5-minute, not on the 1-minute this time. So on the 5-minute, candle just closed. I entered the trade. We got into a little bit of drawdown, but I sit and forget. Literally, I didn't look at the chart at all. And literally, some hours later, we hit full TP. Let me go now and talk about the trade of February 5th. It was also on New York session. We have a buy order. It was a break-even trade, and this trade is actually a very, very, very weird trade to take because everything was looking clean. We have these Asian session lows. We have these London session lows got removed. We have these London session highs. We have these 4-hour highs. We also have this, I think, 1-hour order block. So at the start of New York session, we came down, we took out the Asian session lows, we filled up the 1-hour order block, and we have this 15-minute fair value gap that I wanted it to get invalidated. So with that, let me go into another. So, oh shit, this is on the hourly time frame, but let me just tell you about it. On the 15-minute, we closed above this, and then on the 5-minute, we have a bullish fair value gap that we got retraced back into it with this candle. After that, on the 1-hour, on the 1-minute, sorry, we got a break of structure and an inversion of a fair value gap. So with that, I entered the trade immediately. This is my TP. This is or this one or this one. I don't remember, but I think Asian session. Oh, this one. So my stop loss is below the liquidity sweep. And then the trade was looking amazing to me. We are in a bullish trend. We got the liquidity sweep. We got all of the setup, the A+ setup, all of that. And I don't know. I don't have the screenshot on my laptop, but I have it. Wait, I think I have it on my laptop. Wait. No, I didn't found it. But literally, I opened my MetaTrader account, my TradingView app in front of me, and I see my TradingView app is like the candles are moving up. Everything is looking clean. We are going to hit TP, but then I go into my MetaTrader account and I found the dollar amount is uh, is decreasing, and I see like what the fuck is happening? Like I was up almost 1.2% on the trade. Then I see it like 50%, no, 0.50%, 0.30%, 0.20%. Then, bro, what the fuck happened? And then, I don't know, I opened my X account and I saw the news that Trump is speaking. And fuck Trump, we went out, or we got kicked out of the trade because I put it up my stop loss at break even. That's a real smart decision that I took. That I put in my stop loss at break even, so I got protected. With that, yeah, everything looked clean. So we got out of the week profitable. Yesterday I could took a trade, and I really think that I missed on taking this trade because I was a little bit busy. I was studying at a coffee shop back then. So let's just do the recap for it. We did everything. So let me just do this one as well. So we had these London. Wait. Um. Wait. So we have this London session highs. We have this London session lows. We went down. We took out this low. Took out this low, and then on the 15-minute time frame, we broke this structure right here, and we go into the 5-minute time frame. No, I think there is no trade to be taken right here because we got a series of up candles without retracing. Let's go on to the 1-minute time frame to see if there is any good reaction. No, there is no trade to be taken yesterday. That's good. I didn't even open the chart. And yeah, that's it about today's trade. Today's trade recap. Also, Bitcoin and crypto got fucked this week. We had Bitcoin dumping down to $59,000. That's real shit. I lost probably like 80% or 60% of my investments. I didn't lost them, but because I'm buying in spot market, so I don't consider it as be losing trades. Only if I sell my coins, but I don't know. It's not looking too good for me and for all of the crypto investors. So that being said, that's about today's trade recap. I really hope you guys enjoyed and benefit from this video. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys up in the next one. Peace out, boys. I love and appreciate you.